Hey developers, welcome to Devcovery. Today, we're bringing you the hottest open source projects trending on GitHub, so you don't miss any tech developments worth your attention.
Today, we're taking a deep dive into a trending project on GitHub. AI for Beginners, a comprehensive curriculum from Microsoft that's skyrocketing in popularity. This project demystifies artificial intelligence by providing a complete 12-week university-level course for free. We'll explore why its structured approach is attracting thousands of developers looking to master AI. So, how do you build a university-level curriculum for a field that reinvents itself every few years? Microsoft's answer isn't a textbook. It's a living project on GitHub. It offers a structured, free path into artificial intelligence, and it attracted thousands of learners almost overnight. The project is called AI for Beginners, an open-source curriculum straight from Microsoft. It's designed as a 12-week, 24-lesson course with the goal of making AI accessible to everyone. The response has been remarkable. The project has gathered over 55,000 stars, and at one point, it added more than 1,500 in a single day. That kind of growth clearly shows a huge demand for structured, high-quality learning materials in the world of AI. For anyone just starting out, the world of AI can feel like a chaotic library. You're surrounded by random tutorials, dense research papers, and guides that only focus on one specific framework. This lack of a clear, comprehensive starting point creates a really high barrier to entry. Before a project like this came along, learners were forced to patch together their own curriculum, often getting lost in conflicting information or stuck on topics that were way too specialized. AI for Beginners solves this by offering a curated, complete path. What makes it unique is its breadth. It doesn't just jump into the latest trends. Instead, it starts with the historical roots of AI in symbolic logic and then builds up to modern neural networks. This gives learners a complete picture, not just a narrow snapshot. The project's design philosophy is all about accessibility and understanding concepts, rather than just mastering one specific tool. A core architectural decision was to use a dual framework approach. For key lessons on topics like computer vision or natural language processing, the project provides parallel code examples in both PyTorch and TensorFlow. Think of it like learning to cook a recipe using both a gas and an electric oven. You learn the fundamental principles of cooking, not just how to use one appliance. Another key aspect is reproducibility. The project integrates tools like Binder and VS Code dev containers. This lets anyone launch a fully pre-configured coding environment with just a single click, completely eliminating that notorious setup headache that trips up so many beginners. And finally, the way it scales is a masterclass in itself. It uses GitHub Actions to automatically translate the content into over 50 languages, applying a continuous integration workflow, something normally used for software code, directly to content localization. So, who is this for in the real world? It's a direct resource for students and self-learners who want a free, university-quality introduction to AI. Educators can grab it and use it as a ready-made syllabus for their own classes. It's also perfect for software developers from other fields who need a practical, code-first way to reskill. The barrier to entry is kept intentionally low. The course uses interactive Jupyter notebooks that mix theory, runnable code, and quizzes. All a user needs is a web browser to get started. Simple examples, like a Hello AI World for AI, help make complex ideas feel tangible right from the beginning. The community feedback has been overwhelmingly positive. Developers and educators are praising its clear structure, its comprehensive scope, and the real-world value of its hands-on labs. It's frequently recommended as the go-to starting point for anyone serious about learning AI from the ground up. What's really telling is the notable absence of any major negative criticism. This suggests the project is successfully hitting the mark for its intended audience. But of course, no project is without its challenges. Despite all its strengths, there are a few things to consider. That dual framework approach, while great for learners, also doubles the maintenance burden for contributors. It creates a risk that the PyTorch and TensorFlow examples could fall out of sync. Also, the field of AI moves incredibly fast, which means parts of the curriculum could become outdated quickly, requiring constant updates from the maintainers. And one more thing, those automated translations into over 50 languages. While fantastic for accessibility, they also significantly inflate the size of the repository. For users new to Git, this could be a hurdle, even with the workarounds provided. In the end, AI for Beginners isn't just another tutorial. It stands out as a thoughtfully designed educational platform. Its real value is how it provides a broad, framework-neutral, and globally accessible entry point into artificial intelligence. It's effectively democratizing the foundational knowledge of one of the most transformative technologies of our time.
That's all for today's Devcovery. We hope these GitHub trending projects spark some inspiration for your development work. You can find all the repos mentioned in the description below. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you tomorrow at the same time.